Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Deondra, and today I'm going to be giving y'all my 2-month Fenty skin update. My first time using these products was October 7th, and I know I was supposed to come back after like a month, but life happened. But I think it's actually good because now I can give y'all even more information since I have been using them for longer. And I could say that after 2 months, my skin does look pretty amazing. So if you watched my Fenty Skin First Impressions video, then you probably know that I am not a huge skincare girl. I'm a natural hair girl, but I really wanted to start getting more serious about my skincare and start taking care of my skin the same way that I take care of my natural hair. And I figured what was a better way to start than to try out my girl Rihanna's Fenty Skin Starter Kit. So in that video, I showed y'all how I used each product, and I also gave y'all a description of each, but I'm just gonna run through each product really quickly. So the starter set comes with 3 products. So the first product is the Total Cleanser. So this cleanser is for day and night. It removes any dirt or makeup from your face. And the main thing that I noticed about this cleanser is that it is a cream, which is different from any other cleansers that I've used. They're usually more of a oil or liquid gel type of consistency. So if that is something that you are used to, then this cleanser is probably gonna feel a little weird for you. It almost feels like you're putting lotion on your face at first, but as you keep lathering and adding water to it, it does turn into more of a foam. So that does make it feel a little bit like a regular cleanser, but just a heads up, that is something that I noticed. So I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup lately. I've been trying to keep my skin pretty much clear of any makeup. So I cannot really say how well this works for a makeup remover, but I would say that as far as a cleanser in general, it was really, really great. My skin definitely felt super clean, but not stripped after I used it. And that's something that's similar to when I wash my natural hair. I hate when I wash my hair with a shampoo that strips my hair and just makes it feel really dry. Instead, I like to use shampoos that do leave my hair feeling clean, but not so stripped that my hair just feels dry and lifeless after. So I compare that to this product. It definitely does not strip your skin, but it still does feel clean after you use this. So the next product is the Fat Water Toner Serum. So this stuff was really nice. It is a liquid, as you can see, and it's supposed to reduce the look of your pores and help with dark spots and things of that nature. I cannot say that I necessarily can tell that my pores are smaller, but the few dark spots that I did have before I started using this have kind of gone away. They're still there a little bit, but they're a lot lighter than they were. I have a birthmark on this side, so that is not technically a dark spot, it's just my skin. But I did have some actual dark spots on this side that are a lot lighter than they were. So overall, this was a nice product. My skin definitely looked really hydrated after I used this toner, which I liked a whole lot. So the next product is the Hydra Visor Moisturizer / Sunscreen. So this product is probably my favorite out of the 3, mainly because it is a moisturizer, but it is also an SPF 30 sunscreen. And I just think that is such a great idea to kind of package these 2 things in one so that you don't have to try to think about, okay, let me do my moisturizer and then add my sunscreen after. It's all contained in this little package. So I thought that was really clever of Rihanna to put them together. But the one downside that I would say about having the moisturizer and sunscreen in one single package is that it can feel a little bit wasteful. Like there were times when I would do my skincare routine at night and it just felt kind of silly to be putting on SPF 30 sunscreen when I'm about to go to bed. So for that reason, I would say that I would like if I had the option to purchase the moisturizer just as a moisturizer, because let's say I was going to the beach or something and I wanted to just bring a sunscreen, I probably wouldn't reach for this product because it's a moisturizer too. I would want something that's just a sunscreen. So that's one kind of critique that I would say about the 2-in-1 system, but the convenience of it is definitely great and I really enjoyed it, especially when I use these products in the daytime. So next, I'm going to talk about the fragrance of these products. So each of these does have a fragrance. So if you're a person that likes fragrance-free products, then you're not going to be able to really use these because they do have a scent. Now, personally, I like the scent, but it is a little bit strong for somebody that absolutely wants their products not to smell like anything. I would say that the product with the most smell is the moisturizer, followed by the cleanser, and then lastly would be the toner. So the toner definitely has the most subtle smell, but it does have a smell too. But like I said, they smell really good to me. They kind of have like a perfumey lotion type of smell. But again, that's kind of a personal preference. So you have to figure out if that's something that you want for your skincare. So the last thing that I want to touch on for this review is the packaging. So as I spoke about in my first impressions video, the cleanser comes with a twist top. So you literally twist to open and twist back to close, which is a cute idea. However, I just wanted to show y'all, I did not wipe this off after I used it this time, just so that I could show y'all the residue that's left when you don't wipe off the product after you close the top. So I kind of don't love that. I kind of wish that it had a lid sometimes, just so that I don't have to keep remembering to wipe off the top every single time. But it's not really a big deal or a deal breaker or anything, but that is one thing to keep in mind. The toner comes with a regular screw top. And with this product, you basically have to dab it on your finger or on your hand. It doesn't really just run out by itself. You do have to kind of hit it against your hand to make it come out. But again, not a super big deal, but just something to keep in mind. Now, this little thing I absolutely love the packaging of. I love that it's so small and compact, especially since it is a sunscreen. So if you wanted to take this with you somewhere, it would be super easy and convenient. So this has a top that just comes off, and then it's a little pump. And honestly, I kind of wish that they all came like this because I love the pump concept. Again, it probably reminds me of natural hair products. I prefer my natural hair products to come in a pump versus any other type of packaging because it's just so easy to use. And I feel the exact same way about this. For me, this was the easiest product to apply, and that's probably also what led to it being my favorite product out of the 3. So overall, as a brand newbie to this skincare game, I would say that this Fenty Skin Starter Kit is a great starter kit for those of us that are just getting started with this, who don't really know all of the details, all of the tips and tricks. These are great products that we can start with and to kind of get ourselves used to the skincare game. Of course, as we start to learn more about skincare, we'll be able to add more and more products to this list. But again, 3 products is enough for somebody that doesn't usually do anything. And I think that each of these products serve a really important role. And from what I can tell, they did what they were supposed to do. My skin definitely feels softer. It looks just really vibrant. I don't really know how to explain it, but I definitely can tell that I've been doing something. Just over the last few videos that I've done, I haven't been using any makeup and my skin just looks like it's glowing like all the time. And I think that that definitely is due to me using these products every day for 2 whole months. Alright y'all, so if you want to try out this Fenty Skin Starter Set, you can definitely get it off of her website. That's where I ordered mine. And it's also a great gift idea. If you're trying to find something for a special woman in your life, I would definitely say that this would be a nice gift. And it's Black owned, Black female owned, which is even better. And of course, we all love Rihanna. So I would say that this would be a great gift to purchase. And the price is definitely reasonable. She could have easily made these products super expensive and people probably would have still bought them because she is Rihanna. But instead, she made sure that they were going to be really affordable for pretty much anybody. And I just think that that is really great and commendable. So I think that's it for this video. I feel like I've given y'all a nice overview of how I feel about these Fenty Skin products. Make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed it, and consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on my post notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I post videos every single Friday to this channel, so make sure you don't miss it. Thank y'all so much for watching as always, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.